Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. Sorry if my voice is kind of echoey right now. It's because I'm in this beautiful room in my house. But today I wanted to do my summer homework. Yay! It has been a while since I last did a sit down video, quite honestly. I've been away from my house. I have tennis in the morning. I'm actually kind of excited for this school year because it is my senior year, if you guys didn't know. I was actually supposed to be in college this coming school year, but due to, I guess, my age, my school personally did not want anybody younger, a year younger or 2 years younger, I think, than the supposed age. So basically, I started a year earlier in the Philippines. I was 4 when I started school in like kindergarten. I'm gonna be using these like cards to decorate this thing. It is very hot outside, and these past few days it doesn't seem to be that way on camera because I can see the clouds. It's actually pretty cloudy, but it is very humid at the moment. Recently I've been writing a lot of essays for college, like the Common App essay mainly. I'm considering on applying to like about 6 to 10 schools. I'm mainly focusing on the Common App because that's where most of the schools that I'm applying for are available, I guess. I've written like probably 5 essays that all I feel like are not good. So I'm trying my best to like improve it over time. As equality, I'm actually gonna be painting, which is why I have a bunch of art supplies lying around. I think they're not on frame, but they are a lot. If you guys didn't know, I actually have a palette that I made myself. Currently painting this card so I could paint over it with an equal sign. I'm gonna let this thing dry for now. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention at the beginning, this is an episode of Study with a Dummy, even though it is not studying, but it is still like related to learning stuff, I guess. It's actually supposed to rain today. I don't really know why it's sunny. I think this has dried up. I'm gonna put this away because I don't want to stain it. Oh yeah, this summer I've noticed that I've been writing a lot. I will be linking the articles that I've written over the summer. I recently watched this Filipino movie called Hello, Love, Goodbye. And I think I really liked it. Also, their soundtrack was really good. I would watch it again, most likely, soon. So yeah, and I messed up. Look at this equal sign, it doesn't even look like one. I feel like overall this summer was really productive for me in a way that it's not like I did a lot of relaxing, but I did a lot of like actual productive work. Oh yeah, at the moment I've paused on learning Korean. Oh my god! So yeah, anyway, as I was saying, I've done like 3 equal signs and all of them suck, but this one I think would be okay. So I'm just gonna stay with this one. Oh! But yeah, you guys, I bought something from Yes Style again, so there will be a haul once it arrives. Now I'll show you guys. Yeah, anticipate that soon. We've got one on. Now we continue with the rest. In this failed attempt, I think I'm just gonna put a rainbow over it. Now that I have the colors ready right here, painting I'm gonna leave it to dry for now. I think the rain is gonna start soon. So far, I've done this. I don't have enough pictures yet, so I'm just gonna add more. Oh yeah, for those who don't know, I actually have a depop. I don't think I exclusively mentioned it in a video yet, or if I have, I probably forgot. But I have a depop, guys. I'm painting flowers right now. By the way, I suck at painting flowers. I have this. So far, I've drawn this. I attempted to make pizza. I hope it looks like pizza. But I'm almost done with it. I just need to like add a little more decorations and then we can end this video. I think this is it. All I need left is to put my name on it, which I'll do once it's dry. But here it is, yay! But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to you guys, I finished my homework and now I have less things to do. I could do something else in my time and I don't have to think about this. So thanks so much for encouraging me. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
같은 밤 뒤